Lagi kong napapansin sa mga tao, bakit hindi nila nagagamit usually yung potential nila? Bakit hindi nila ina-approach yung buhay nila in a way na nagagamit nila lahat ng gifts nila, lahat ng resources na meron sila? And it's something that I've been doing a lot with my life. It's something that's always on my mind is how can I do more? How can I do better? How can I use every resource, every potential, every strength I have to be better, to make the world a better place, to be a better person? And this is one of the philosophies that I've wanted to build my life around because lagi kong nakikita na hindi lahat alam nila yung potential nila. Potential is not just your talent. Time, health, intelligence, opportunities, family, mentors, lahat yan form ng potential. Some people have more or less than the other. But everyone has something they're responsible for. Para sa akin, kailangan mong gamitin lahat ng potential mo. Kasi lahat tayo is responsible sa isang bagay. And it's up to us to fulfill those responsibilities. May mga responsibilities tayo na tayo lang yung kayang gumawa nun. The only thing that we can use is the resources that we have. Dati, I used to focus a lot on outcome. Ano ba yung kaya kong i-produce? Ano ba yung kaya kong gawin? Ano ba yung kailangan kong gawin ngayon? Ano ba yung kailangan kong gawin bukas? Lagi ako nagpo-focus sa outcome. Pero ngayon, I care more about whether I'm maximizing what I've been given. Kung ginagamit ko ba yung potential ko, ginagamit ko ba lahat ng opportunities na meron ako, ginagamit ko ba yung strength ko para sa ganito. And yung outcome, yung nagiging byproduct. Hindi yun yung goal. I genuinely believe that I've been given an opportunity that most people don't have. And along with those opportunities are responsibilities. I believe that it's my responsibility to become the best version of myself. I believe that it's my responsibility to become better every day. I believe na kailangan kong gawin lahat para makapag-provide ako sa mga tao sa paligid ko. For me, wasted potential is one of the biggest regret I can imagine.